Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert margins in Word. We start by opening our Word document. Next, we go to the Layout menu. After that, we will click on the Margins option and we will see different preset configurations with margins that you can easily use. You also have the option to click on Custom Margins and configure the margins that we want for our document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.